So it begins, this discussion, which is somewhat in vein of the salad discussion we had earlier. This one is to do with money. Boss is back. But anyway, moving on. When you break it down, look at its core components. Currency is a means to an end. It's used, in theory, as an exchange for goods and services. However, it's usually given in exchange for labor. And when you get into inflation and you break it down, essentially, it's a matter of they give more money because laborers demand more money. Yet then equally they turn around and up the price of products, so it never really changes. This is something most people already know, but a few people still need to learn. Yet I'd warn, there is something with currency we haven't considered yet. Or perhaps we used to consider it, now we don't. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be put back in the shed and never used again. We've used money for ages, part and parcel for trade, but I highly doubt we'll actually do that. Yet, when you come to look at it, money is not really of substance or value. It might have fiat value, but it's not really something that has actual value. In a more utilitarian sense, food, clothing, shelter, that all has value. That all has inherent value. But money only has implied value. And implied value only lasts so long when the bill keeps going up.